So, my name is Enes Ciritci. I'm running Lunes Robotics, and we do have another guest in here. Please, Luna can come in. Luna joined, entered our team in September of the last year and is helping us to create, as I mentioned, the hardware agnostic software platform. Maybe Luna can also entertain us a little bit. I think we can start with it. So, I think this is really impressive, and we see a lot of videos coming viral on the internet, like this one, which you probably also have seen. This is from the Spring Festival Gala, the Chinese New Year festival, in which there were a lot of humanoid robots dancing, doing backflips, doing martial art movements, which are really breathtaking and impressive. The question for us is, can we somehow use this ability to bring this into the industry? On the left side, we can see what we saw. Stage performances, dancing, and so on. But what we need in industrial production is reliable production work. So we need the things manipulating something. We need the things carrying something. So doing the things, the simple things, what most of the time we don't want to do in a reliable way. And here I want to do a quick poll. I want to ask you, when do you think will these robots work in your industry? What do you think? Show me some hands, please. Who would say it will be in about 5 years? Show me your hands. A few of them. Who would say it will happen in 2 years? Okay. And who thinks it's already happening? I can tell you it's happening right now. Companies like BMW, Amazon, Mercedes-Benz are running their pilots on their assembly lines. So they are not running them in a university lab. They are actually using them. Of course, in a frame, in a specified frame, but on their assembly lines. And I think you, as people from the online print industry, can also jump into this trade. People around me are asking me always two questions. The first one is, are these things safe? What if they're getting out of control? What happens then? And the second one is, what will we do when these robots are taken over, are doing the jobs what we are doing? What happens then? And I think we have to look at these questions from other perspectives. First one, are they safe? As you know, we do have all our working environments in which we are working, and we try to adjust and try to make them safer. But still, we have these huge numbers. As you can see here, 800,000 accidents in Germany every year, mostly because of fatigue, mostly because of less concentration, and it's normal. We are human beings, and that happens. And right now we do have a technology which we want to bring in, which has force and torque controls, which has detection control, which fulfills standards like all the other machines we also have. And I think using these robots at a point in which, most of the people don't want to work, will reduce, will make it at least safer.